Hey guys, this is a Civic bias guide, mainly focused on the EG but it applies to most other models too. As all of the videos before, the first thing to look out for is rust. Look for bubbling in the paint and check the rear quarter panels, bottoms of doors. Stick your fingers under the fender lips and feel around anywhere else you can. Look underneath the car everywhere you can see. If the car is in a wet climate area, the rear wheel wells will probably have rust, and all suspension bolts will be seized up, probably. The rear strut bolts, front and rear control arm bolts could be rusted stuck. It's always a good idea to buy from a dry climate area, as these tend to be clean of rust. Usually, the rear trailing arm brushings. Most 5th gen Civics have bad ones. I don't think it would really matter much to an average driver, but if they are real bad, they make an awful squeaky noise, going over curbs and speed bumps. Replacing these won't be an issue. Check the little labels on each of the windows. This can help you determine if any of the windows were replaced for some reason. Scanning body panel alignments, gaps, can help identify any damage. Check spare wheel wells for signs of a rear end smash. If it is crumbled or has odd welling lines, walk away. Don't be afraid to ask if the owner can jack it up so you can get a good look underneath. Any wet spots should be considered questionable. Bring your own jack if you can, and if they say no, period, move on, man. Have a test drive. Listen in for transmission grinds, engine knocking, any type of smoke smell, and ask about it. If it has white smoke, then walk away. If you hear a ticking on countering, CV joints are gone. Expect to have to resolder the main circuit relay circuit board. Also, the dimmer switches typically go out, but are easy to find in the junkyards. Cruise control usually needs adjustments and maintenance or replacement. Oil leaks are fairly common, especially from the oil pan gasket, breather box O-rings, cam, crank, valve car, and distributor seals. If the car shows signs of having been modified or in a significant wreck, avoid it like the plague. Body kits might as well be a total loss. Avoid carbon fiber hoods as well. These are preferred cars for drag races, as you might have seen on YouTube, and you wouldn't want one of those cars. Make sure the door jambs and engine bay are the same color as outside the car. Another big concern is interior condition. If it's painted, walk away. The driver's seats will always have a tear. But that's not a big issue since you can get passenger seat fabric from the junkyard and swap it. But it's getting really hard to find the interior bits nowadays. Check the oil cap. If it's white, red flag. Leaking head gasket, leaking sump gasket. Check if it's smoky at high revs. If so, valve stem seals are gone. Check the color of the oil and the last service receipt. Try to get all service records. Hope this quick video helps you guys out. Like always, if you like the video, hit the like button. If you loved it, hit the subscribe button. See you guys until next time. Bye bye.